Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to hide online status on Instagram and Facebook. So let's head over to Instagram. Once in there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile and then tap on the three lines on the top right and scroll down. And if you can't find the activity section, so just search for activity activity status, your activity. In there, go to activity status, or if you can't find that, then go back and search for show activity status. So here, turn it off, and you can turn it off for Facebook in this way too. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out. If you got any questions regarding this, make sure to comment down below. We will reach you out. Hope to see you in the next video.